Hi, in this video we'll learn about alternative layout. So let's get it started. Alternative layout approach for extracting the data is useful when we have an identical set of parameters where element positions are varying greatly from one document to another document. For example, in this document we have this invoice number where that value is present below to this field. Similarly, for customer number, value is present below to this customer number text. And whereas in this document, invoice number and customer field values are present on our right side. So in such scenarios we can choose alternative layout. Okay, so let's see how we can create alternative layout. So I will go back to this one. So what I will do, I will create a labeled field for this one and for this customer field as well, and then we'll try to extract the same information from the other document. So what I will do, I will create a header first, click on add element, then click on static text. I will give name as KW header, and this will be the required element. Number of surviving hypothesis should be 1, and in static text, okay, I will type in a ton space I and C, and I will click on this, take a space into account. Now I will click on relation, and here I will click on this nearest option, and then here I will select page top edge, click on apply and OK. Now what I will do, I will right click on this search element, then click on add, then we'll select this option labeled field. Here we'll type invoice number, we'll click on this labeled tab, and I will copy this one, and we'll paste it here. We'll check this option, take spaces into account, and we'll go to next tab. Here we'll select field position as a below field name. Okay, click on apply. Okay, we'll create one more label field, click on add, then we have to select this labeled field option. We'll give name as customer number, click on labeled tab, and then we have to type customer number. We'll check this option, and then in field position we have to select below field name. Click on apply and OK. Now we'll test it for first document. As you can see, it's identifying this header and then this invoice number and customer number. So what I will do now, I will map these elements to the block. Okay, I will right click on block and then we'll click on add block, click on text. So we'll give name as invoice number, and then we'll check this option, source element, and here we'll select a particular field. So we have this one inside this invoice number, we have this field option. I'll select this one, click on OK and click on apply and OK. Similarly, we'll create one more block. So click on add block, then select this text option. We'll select this source element and we'll map it with customer field. Click on apply, OK. Okay, I haven't renamed it, so I have to type customer number. Okay, click on apply and OK. There is a one advantage of mapping these elements. So when you will create a different layout, you don't need to map it again. So what I will do now, I will create a copy of this one. So I will select this one, Control C, and then paste on this one. So this way it has created a two different layout. So I will rename this first one. So this will be in a town. Click on apply and OK. And for second document we have D Brown, right? So again I have to click on this one and then have to type D Brown. Click on apply and OK. So inside this D Brown, what I have to do, I have to change that header text first. So I will copy this one and inside this static text tab I will paste it here. Click on apply and OK. Similarly for labeled fields as well. So inside this invoice number, inside this label I have to give name as invoice no dot, invoice space no dot, and then inside field position it should be right of that particular field. Okay, so I will select right of the field name and click on apply and OK. Now we'll click on this customer number. So for this one we have a customer colon, and then in field position it should be on a right side. Click on apply and OK. Now we'll test this one as well. I will click on match. So it's identifying this header element. I will click on invoice number. It's identifying this one and this one as well. Okay, so I will set the reference as well. I will just right click on a first document. So first document belongs to in add-on. Okay, so I will click on set reference and then select in add-on. And we'll again right click on second one, and here we'll set reference as D Brown.